Oxygen. It's a simple molecule, yet it holds the key to life as we know it. It's the element we breathe every moment, filling our lungs and energizing our bodies. The fuel that powers our cells, the invisible force that sustains us, and the essence of vitality. Without it, life as we know it would cease to exist. Imagine a world devoid of oxygen, barren and lifeless. It's more than just an element, it's a fundamental building block of life, interwoven into the fabric of our existence. A key ingredient in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the very ground we walk on. Oxygen is everywhere, in every breath and every drop of water. But have you ever stopped to wonder where oxygen comes from, how it shapes our world, and its significance beyond our planet? The story of oxygen is as old as the stars, how it was forged in the hearts of ancient stars and spread across the universe, seeding planets like Earth with the potential for life. From the towering redwoods to the smallest insects, life on Earth thrives on oxygen. It is the thread that connects all living things. It's the vital ingredient that allows our cells to convert food into energy, fueling our every breath, every heartbeat and every thought. Without it, our bodies would be unable to function, fueling our every breath, every heartbeat and every thought. Oxygen is the silent partner in our daily lives, working tirelessly to keep us alive. But oxygen's reach extends far beyond our planet. It is a cosmic player, influencing the formation of stars and planets. Across the vast expanse of the cosmos, oxygen plays a crucial role in the evolution of stars, the formation of planets, and the potential for life beyond Earth. It is a universal element shaping the very fabric of the universe, the formation of planets, and the potential for life beyond Earth. Understanding oxygen is about understanding the universe itself. Understanding oxygen is about understanding the universe itself, its intricate workings and the delicate balance that makes life possible. It is a journey into the heart of existence, its intricate workings and the delicate balance that makes life possible. Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating world of oxygen. Join us on a journey to explore the fascinating world of oxygen, from its fiery birth in the hearts of stars to its essential role in our everyday lives. Discover how this simple molecule is the cornerstone of life and the universe. From its fiery birth in the hearts of stars to its essential role in our everyday lives, the story of oxygen is the story of life itself, a tale of cosmic proportions and intimate connections. Oxygen's story begins not on Earth, but in the fiery hearts of stars. These colossal celestial furnaces act as cosmic kitchens, forging the elements that make up everything we see around us, including the very air we breathe. Stars are powered by nuclear fusion, a process where lighter elements are fused together under immense pressure and heat to create heavier ones. Hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, serves as the primary fuel. As stars age, they gradually convert hydrogen into helium. In the intense heat and pressure of their cores, helium atoms then fuse to create carbon and oxygen, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. Thus, oxygen, the very breath of life, is born from the fiery death throes of stars. When these massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they explode as spectacular supernovas, scattering the newly formed elements, including oxygen, into the vast expanse of space. These scattered elements then become the building blocks for new stars, planets, and ultimately life itself. Within our own solar system, oxygen's presence is a tale of contrasts. The story of oxygen on Earth and Mars is a fascinating journey through time and space, revealing the delicate balance that sustains life and the harsh realities of a planet that lost its way. Earth, our vibrant blue planet, boasts an oxygen-rich atmosphere, a testament to the life that teems on its surface. This life-giving gas is a result of billions of years of biological and geological processes that have shaped our world into a haven for diverse ecosystems. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, oxygen is the invisible thread that weaves through the fabric of life. Mars, our red and dusty neighbor, tells a different story. A thin atmosphere with only trace amounts of oxygen, hinting at a past where water may have flowed and life might have existed. The stark contrast between these two planets offers a glimpse into the complex interplay of factors that determine a planet's habitability. Imagine a world where rivers once carved canyons and lakes shimmered under a pink sky, now reduced to a desolate expanse. Earth's abundant oxygen is a direct result of life itself. The lush forests, diverse wildlife, and vibrant ecosystems all contribute to the continuous cycle of oxygen production and consumption, maintaining the delicate balance necessary for life to thrive. Every breath we take is a gift from the green world around us, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Billions of years ago, tiny organisms called cyanobacteria evolved the remarkable ability to photosynthesize, using sunlight to convert water and carbon dioxide into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This seemingly simple process had profound implications for the development of life on Earth. It was the dawn of a new era, where the air itself became a cradle for life. This great oxidation event transformed Earth's atmosphere, paving the way for the evolution of oxygen-breathing organisms like ourselves. The increase in atmospheric oxygen allowed for more complex life forms to emerge, leading to the rich biodiversity we see today. It was a turning point in Earth's history, a moment when the planet itself began to breathe. Today, plants and algae continue this vital process, replenishing our atmosphere with the oxygen we need to survive. These organisms form the foundation of the Earth's biosphere, supporting life at every level of the food chain. From the tiniest plankton to the tallest trees, the cycle of life and oxygen is unbroken. Mars, in contrast, lost its protective magnetic field early in its history, leaving its atmosphere vulnerable to being stripped away by the solar wind. Without this shield, the planet's surface was exposed to harsh solar radiation, making it difficult for life to sustain itself. The once vibrant planet became a barren wasteland, a silent witness to the power of cosmic forces. This event led to the loss of most of its water and atmosphere, leaving behind the cold, arid planet we see today. The once potentially habitable environment of Mars transformed into a barren landscape, a stark reminder of the fragility of planetary ecosystems. The red planet's desolation stands as a testament to the delicate balance required to sustain life. However, the presence of oxygen-bearing minerals on Mars suggests a more watery and potentially habitable past. These minerals provide clues to the planet's history, indicating that liquid water once flowed on its surface, creating conditions that might have supported life. Each rock and mineral tells a story of a time when Mars might have been a cradle for life. The search for evidence of past or present life on Mars continues, with oxygen playing a key role in this scientific quest. As we explore the red planet, we hope to uncover the secrets of its past and learn more about the potential for life beyond Earth. The dream of finding life on Mars fuels our imagination and drives our quest for knowledge, inspiring us to look beyond our own world and into the vastness of the cosmos. As Section 4, Oxygen and Space Exploration, a vital partnership. As we venture beyond Earth, oxygen becomes more than just the breath of life. It transforms into a critical resource, a lifeline for human exploration of the cosmos. From the earliest space capsules to the International Space Station, providing a breathable atmosphere for astronauts is a paramount concern. Early spacecraft relied on carrying their entire oxygen supply on board, limiting mission duration and scope. The development of fuel cells, which combine hydrogen and oxygen to generate electricity and water, revolutionized space travel. The International Space Station, a marvel of engineering orbiting our planet, utilizes a combination of methods to maintain a breathable atmosphere. Electrolysis, the process of using electricity to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, provides a sustainable source of oxygen for the crew. Furthermore, the ISS employs a sophisticated air revitalization system that removes carbon dioxide exhaled by astronauts and replenishes the oxygen supply. This closed-loop system minimizes the need to transport oxygen from Earth, making long-duration space missions more feasible. Section 5. Life at the extremes, adapting to oxygen's limits. While oxygen is essential for most life on Earth, some organisms thrive in environments with surprisingly low oxygen levels. These unique life forms have evolved over millions of years, developing specialized mechanisms to survive and even flourish where oxygen is scarce. From the depths of the oceans to high-altitude mountain lakes, life finds a way to adapt and survive. These extreme environments, though seemingly inhospitable, are teeming with life that has found extraordinary ways to cope with the challenges. posed by low oxygen availability. Deep-sea creatures, dwelling in a world of perpetual darkness and immense pressure, have evolved unique adaptations to cope with low oxygen levels. For instance, the deep-sea anglerfish uses bioluminescence not only to attract prey, but also to navigate the dark, oxygen-poor waters. Some fish, like the Greenland shark, have specialized enzymes that allow them to function with minimal oxygen. These enzymes enable the shark to metabolize efficiently, conserving energy and surviving in the frigid, low-oxygen waters of the Arctic. Others, like certain species of jellyfish, have symbiotic relationships with bioluminescent bacteria that produce light and a small amount of oxygen, providing a lifeline in the dark depths. This symbiosis is a remarkable example of how life can adapt through cooperation, ensuring survival in the most challenging conditions. High in the mountains, where the air is thin and oxygen scarce, plants and animals have also developed remarkable adaptations. These adaptations are crucial for their survival, allowing them to thrive in an environment where oxygen levels are significantly lower than at sea level. Yaks, for example, possess larger lungs and a higher concentration of red blood cells, allowing them to efficiently extract oxygen from the thin air. This physiological adaptation is essential for their survival, enabling them to graze and live at altitudes where other animals might struggle. Certain species of alpine plants have adapted to the harsh conditions by developing shallow root systems and waxy leaves to minimize water loss. These plants have also evolved to photosynthesize more efficiently, making the most of the limited oxygen and sunlight available at high altitudes. Their resilience is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth.